Hello everybody. In this screencast we're going to look at how to add Firebase to your project. So what is Firebase? It is a service that provides, it's a Google service that provides database services, file storage services, a lot of mobile services that you need. It's not limited to mobile. It could be integrated into your website. It could be used by your website. For example, if you look at documentation, it's very valuable. You could see that there are guides for iOS, Android, web implementation. They also have a cloud offering, which is called Firebase Cloud Functions. They provide authentication, a lot of features that Firebase provides. It makes developing mobile and applications in general much easier because you don't have to worry about the back end. So anyhow, we will look in this screencast on how to integrate Firebase into your Android project. So basically, first you go to Firebase. So basically, after you go to Firebase, you can go to the console and it will take you here. This is the console. Or you say console.firebase.google.com. And then you need to log in. And I'm going to create a new project. I'll give my project, I'll call it my Firebase demo. Firebase demo, for example. And I accept this and I click on continue. And it shows me what is out there, what service is going to be there. Okay, I click on continue. And basically I accept and accept. That's basically some terms that you have to accept with Google, and the project is going to be for free. So basically they allow you to have projects for free, and make sure to use your personal Gmail account, right? So here we are, and it's going to create the project. So once it creates the project, it creates a project on Firebase. I'd like to integrate it into my app. To integrate into the app is also very straightforward. We will need the app package name. So here is the package name for the app in the manifest. So you need to go to your manifest, copy this package name. You will need it. So I'm copying it now until the project finishes up. And then once the project finishes up, the project is ready. I click on continue. So this means that you have a Firebase web. It is on the console. You have a Firebase. So if I go back to Firebase, you could see that there is a Firebase demo project here. I click on it again, and then it shows me the project details. Now in that project, I'd like to add an Android project. See, you can click on Android, and then it asks me, the first thing is that what's the package name? Here's the package name. I copied it from the manifest file. Here's the package name. I just copied it from the manifest file. You can give it a nickname if you want, and you can provide this signing shot. This is more for more security related to the app. We're not gonna go into this right now, but you just need to provide the package name and click register the app. Very nice. So once you register the app, this means that Firebase now knows that there is an app that is going to ask it, and then there's a configuration file that you need to add. Download the configuration file. Okay, here is the configuration file. It's in my my desktop. Here's the configuration file. Now I need to add it to the project. To add it to the project, you need to go to the project, change this tab to the project, and then they are saying that you need to add it beside the build Gradle. So here it is. So basically I need to drag it and drop it here. And click on OK, and it should appear in a little bit, right? So I did drag it and drop it, but it's not showing up. So let's drag it and drop it again. Under app, they want it under app. So basically under app, here it is. I need to drag it and drop it under app. All right, here we go. Okay, so you just have to drag it to the folder, app folder, and I click on OK. And here is the file. Okay, so I added the JSON file where they indicated the project, and then under the app folder, I dropped it here. Okay, now you click on next. You need to add the Firebase SDK to so we just added, this is a setting. If you double click on this, it has some keys. So it has some keys that are needed to be for Firebase to be able, for the Firebase SDK to be able to access the app, right? To access the Firebase cloud. So we added that. Now we need to go to go back to make this back to Android, and I need to look at my Gradle files. So here's the Gradle for the app. Now there are two parts that you need to edit. So basically in the build Gradle file under the project, which is this one. Right, this is the project Gradle file. We need to add these fields. So we need to make sure that we have Google. Very good. We have the dependency on the Google services. So we need to add this dependency. So under dependencies, we add the dependency on the Google services, right? And then I scroll up a little bit. That's basically all what we did. And then all projects, it has Google, which is okay. So that's at the project build Gradle, okay? So we added that, close this. Now we go back here. This is the app build Gradle. So this is the app build Gradle, which is this one. Now here we just need to import the Firebase SDK. So we need first to apply these plugins. So apply plugin here. We need to add another apply plugin, which is the Google Services plugin. Here it is. And we already have your application under the application one. Then dependencies. We need to add the dependency for this dependency is for Firebase. So we go here. I'll add dependency for Firebase. Okay, here we are. This dependency for the Firebase, and then I will also add the dependency for the Firebase Analytics. Okay, so basically that's this and that's this. Now I can sync, and basically it's going to retrieve the Firebase SDK and integrate it into the project. Okay, and basically the build is successful. That's perfect. So we are good. Now we click on next, and basically we are done. So basically this means that the app is wired up. This means the app is wired up to Firebase. Now I want to test something. So we are going to look at other, so basically we added Firebase to the project. We are in the next couple of videos, we'll look at how we can use Firebase and actually make sure that this integration is correct. All right, so please let me know if you have any questions, and you could see that the steps are very straightforward. I just followed the steps that were indicated in the portal, right, or in the console. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.